Hi, I'm Moses. Did you know the #1 reason most Americans leave their jobs is that they don't feel appreciated? In this video, I'm going to share 5 steps to starting an employee recognition program at your business. The first step is reflecting on why you want to create the program in the first place. Beyond boosting morale, do you want to reinforce certain values or behaviors such as leadership, customer service, or social sustainability? Once you are aligned on the why, the next step is determining the eligibility requirements for your rewards. How can your team score this awesome perk? Decide how often you will give out the award and who's eligible. For example, are both full-time and part-time employees eligible? What about temps and interns? Does someone need to be employed with you for a certain amount of time before they're eligible? Step 3 is determining how you will choose a winner. First, identify how people will get nominated. Nominations could be peer-led or by leadership. Next, decide how you will pick from the pool of qualified candidates. Will managers take a vote? Will you develop rating criteria? Understanding this from the outset will help legitimize the recognition program and make it feel as fair and inclusive as possible. Step 4. This is the fun part. Select what will be given out as an award, a customized trophy, a certificate of recognition. How about lunch with the CEO? This really depends on your budget. Just make sure your employee knows exactly what they're being recognized for and then thought went into their award. Last, but definitely not least, you need to let your employees know that the program exists. Some great ways to announce the new perk are at regularly scheduled company-wide meetings, or emails, through a general Slack channel, or even by hanging up posters around the office. Let them know when the first nomination period will be and get them excited. There you have it, 5 steps to get started in creating an effective employee recognition program. Don't forget to make it your own and infuse the process and outcome with the values that makes your organization special. For even more ideas on creating a better workplace, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos to help you run your business with confidence.